Use a lever to slowly pry open the air conditioning outlet from one side. Remove the two clips after unplugging the air outlet. Open the decorative panel under the panel. Use a T20 Torx bit to remove the 4 top and bottom screws on the panel. Remove the 2 screws under the screen. The clip after removing the panel. Remove the 2 screws on the head unit. Pull out the head unit. Unplug the power connector behind the head unit. Lift the screen straight up and pull it out. Unplug the video connector behind the display. Match the factory wiring to our harness. Test all functions to make sure everything works. Mount the module under the head unit. If you've got a large head unit, the module won't fit underneath it. Run the wiring out the back. Place the module on the panel below the armrest box. Restore the things you just disassembled one by one.